Welcome friends, nice to meet you again. Okay, now we will go to the exercise 1.2. Question number 5. Check whether 6 raised to n can end with 0 for any value of n. Okay, how we will know a number is ending with 0? For example, 10. 10 we know the factors are 2 and 5. 20. 2 into 2 into 5. 30. 2 into 3 into 5. 110. 2 into 5 into 11. Okay, so what do you observe in this case? If a number is divisible by 10 or if a number is ending with 0, it will have one set of 2 and 5. So one set of 2 and 5 should be there. It can contain other factors. Here 3 is there, here 11 is there, but at least one set of 2 and 5 should be there. There can be more 2's, there can be more 5's also. Now consider another example. 22. 22 is equal to 2 into 11. Why it is not ending with 0? Because there is no 5. Suppose another case, 15. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Here there is no 2. So this also n cannot end with the 0. Okay, now the concept is clear. Okay, now coming back to the question, 6 raised to n. 6 raised to n can be written as 2 into 3 all raised to n, that is 2 raised to n into 6 raised to n. This is true for whatever be the value of n. Okay, now we have seen that for a number to end with 0, it should contain at least one set of 2 and 5. Here 2 is a factor, but there is no 5 in this. So what we can say, this number is not divisible by 10. Hence 6 raised to n cannot end with a 0. Okay friends, thank you for watching. We will see in the next video. For my previous videos, you can see the description box which contains a list of my old videos. Also, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will get the newer videos in future. Thank you. Bye.